What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I just want to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now I hope at some point this thing will get used in this year. It will get used this year. I promise you this thing will get used this year for 2025 again, because I know since the fact this thing being used almost quite a bit. I mean, this thing right here exactly, I do like this thing a lot because you can see this exactly. This is a 2022 model, but I guess it's in 2023, which is actually why I expected this thing exactly, because you can see I like this got the tank engine. We did use it twice because a lot of times these chains would get loose over time a little bit, because you can tell this thing get used no matter what. And I think it is pretty much what we expected this thing exactly, because you can see how much expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit. But although the machine actually looks good in my opinion, I do like it's got a bad indicator. See how much juice life. You have to push this safety down to get it to turn on, because if you don't, it won't do anything until you push the safety down, which is it's kind of weird in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this chainsaw been used almost quite a bit. So I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly. I mean, it will get used this year for 2025. I promise you this thing will get used this year, because you know how expected this thing is, because ever since this thing has been used almost quite a bit, I do like this thing a lot, because you can see how much expected this thing is actually, because well, here's why I describe it the same. This thing been getting used almost like quite a bit, so I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 mower seasons this year, because you can see how much expected. But I do like the same machine a lot, because you can see it's it's definitely what it is exactly on this machine here exactly, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly, because I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 mowing season, and hope at some point this thing will get used this year.